Well, it's a bit cold this morning, as you can probably see by me bundled up. So it's about 8:30, and I've got a couple of things to charge up, so I'm gonna wait for it to warm up a little bit because bugger that. I'm gonna wait a bit longer before I get up, and because I can. Oh no, there's a tear in my bivvy bag. I just tore it as I was wrapping myself up in it last night. So I need to fix that before it gets any worse. Luckily, I always carry a stick of I always carry a roll of 1-inch duct tape, because duct tape fixes everything. This is the best shit ever invented. Obviously I can't sew this, so put this piece on to arrest the tear, because it's tearing down this seam. It's pretty cold this morning, but I slept right through, so I had a good night's sleep. Now today I'm heading to Egton Bridge, Glaisdale Bridge, Egton, and then up to Runswick Bay and Port Mulgrave. But I don't know how far I'm going to get today. It depends how long it takes to film all the places that I want to film. And the problem is it's Saturday, so there's going to be lots of people around, so I don't know how good filming's going to be at Egton Bridge and stuff. What needs a surface to work on? It's got all this fluff inside the cut, so that it makes sure it sticks to the actual fabric rather than the fluff, because the fluff obviously is not going to form a good seal. Technical term, fluff, I think, that's what it's called. Where's my roll gone? Oh, it's right here. God, fucking first thing in the morning. It's a bit cold on the fingers, this. My fingers are starting to get cold. I guess it's about freezing or just below freezing at the moment. That's why I don't really want to get up. And I don't really want to get up, so I'm kind of delighting in having a little repair to do. This is a pain in the arse, this, because this actual item, these are about 50 quid, these bivvy bags. So being able to repair it is rather important. It looks good as new from the other side, but don't let it fool you. So the tear starts about here, so I'm going to run a good length of this stuff up the inside as well. This reflective inside is what makes it, obviously what provides a lot of the insulation. So the tear starts about here, so I'll stick this bit on there, like so. I hope it sticks to this silvery stuff. This is actually the first time I've used this duct tape and hanger, so quite impressed. Well, there we go. Finito. Hope that holds.